Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will explore how to create custom icons for models in OpenModelica and use their instances in other model. The icon view is a great way to keep your model clean, clear and reusable. This video is a part of my Advanced OpenModelica course, which takes a project-driven approach where I have shown how you can translate a real physical system into an OpenModelica model, how you can structure your project, design reusable components, work with array, and extend model efficiently. Everything in this course is focused on practical skills which you can directly use in your own simulations. This advanced OpenModelica course and Introduction to OpenModelica course is available for channel members, including all modules, examples, and workflows. Let's start with this video. Let's look at the icon or diagram view. Let's move over here. We can just Control A, Control C. I don't want to copy the last and first line. Rest I will copy. Control C, I will move to test. And I will paste over here. Whatever I am having over here in two cells model is transferred to our test model. Let me run. It is running fine. Now when we want to expand our model, we need this icon or diagram view. For that, we do not need these things. For that, we need connection, one connection over here, one connection over here, one over here, and all those connections. So we will go to the analog interface. It is over here, and we need to define pins. We can take this general pin or we can take positive and negative pin as you like. I'm just taking it as a negative pin and I'm taking it as a positive pin over here. We need more pins, but in this two cells model, I'm just showing you only this pin. As I said, we want to scale up this model. For that, we need to connect this pin over here and this pin over here. Now, if we will go to this icon or diagram view, these two pins, what we have connected over here interfaces, they have been appeared over here. Before that, we didn't have anything. Let me go back and just move these. You see, we do not have anything here. I'm just doing Control Z. These two pins and they have been added. It means we can create an icon for this model. And here are some diagram which you can use to create some icon. Let me take this one. Let me create icon, then you would know. I have created this one. You can change its designing, whatever you like. Now we have created this our diagram view for our model. Go back. Now you see our tests have been changed to this one. Now if I go in here and let's say I want to use my two cell model in this multi-stack parallel. If I go over here and to the diagram view, I can just drag and drop over here test one and I can bring it over here once again. Now this each block, it has two cells inside this one and two in this one, and I can connect these two cells. In multi-stack, I have taken this entire block. I did just copy paste and I have connected these two. That's what I have done. So these have been appeared because I did copy paste, but that's what I want to show. Before that, this two cell model was having only two cells. This two cells model was having only two cells and I was connecting positive pin to this negative pin. That was exactly happening. I was connecting this positive pin to this negative pin. So let me delete it over here. I had drawn this one only just to show you what was happening. So that's how we can use our model, and we can extend it and use multiple time into different model. If you go into the icon, text view, and you can see it is just using this test as a test one. So test is this model, and it is just creating its instance. You can call it, I don't know, whatever, two cells, and you can call it. You will get error because now we have changed name and it is something else. To avoid that error, we need to remove this one. I will talk about this one later. But anyway, now you can see if I bring my cursor over here, two cells, and here next two cells. And here is the positive pin, and here is the negative pin, and I'm connecting these two pins. Anyhow, that's how you can use this icon view. As I was saying, it is also important when we want to use our base model into our bigger model. That's exactly what we will do. Anyhow, in this model, we have seen some our basic concepts. Then we have created our two cells model. Then we have seen how we can define our model parameters as a separate file, and we can use it as a extend. At the end, we have created a two cells model. We have simulated that one, and we have seen physically it is working fine. Then we have seen how we can use icon view and its importance. Now we will continue our project in the next module, where we will continue what I had described at the start of the course.